Kochani, stało się. Nareszcie jest, przyjechał i rozpoczynamy wspaniałą współpracę zgodnie z naszym hashtagiem najlepsi z najlepszymi. Kolejna osobowość implantologiczna wysokiej klasy, światowej klasy. Dr Paulo Malo przyjechał do nas z Portugalii. Hello, Paulo, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
To jest wielka przyjemność gościć Paula w naszej klinice. Dziś mieliśmy pierwszy zabieg, którego autorem i pomysłodawcą jest właśnie dr Paulo. Zabieg All on 4, metoda, która jest przeznaczona dla wszystkich tych pacjentów, którzy borykają się z wielkimi problemami z kością. Dokładniej o tym będzie opowiadał dr Paulo. Nie chcę mu zabierać głosu. W związku z tym zapytamy pana doktora. Dr. Paulo, why have you decided to start collaborate with Unident Union?
Well, first of all, you have a very good team of doctors. You have a very beautiful clinic. Also, this part of Poland, we were not present. And when we decide to choose our partners, of course, you were obvious that you came number one. So Wrocław is a town that is important in Poland. You are important here. You have a beautiful clinic. You have a good staff. So we can
That's
be
right.
good partners.
It's a pleasure for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Paulo, why is this unique solution for the patients from Unident Union? Your method.
Yeah, the All on 4 and other methods that I develop are methods for difficult cases. And Unident has a very good reputation, very good doctors to do the normal cases, but you were missing the very difficult ones. So that's why we are together, so that we can do also the difficult ones. So now in Wrocław, the people around this region can not only do in high quality the normal cases, but also they can now come and do the cases that other dentists say that is not possible, that you need bone graft, that you are too old, or this is impossible, there's not enough bone. All these cases, when the dentist says to a patient, you don't have enough bone for implants, or you are too old, or you need grafting, please come to us and we can solve it.
Dr. Paulo, how was the All on 4 method created? Is that popular in the world?
This is the #1 method in the world for people without teeth and with very little bone. I invented this method in 1990. In 1993 was the first case done, the lower jaw. And in 1996 was the first case done in the upper. Today, of course, after all these years, we have...
How many years?
Oh, I don't know, 1993
It's
to 2020,
almost 30 years.
it's almost 30 years.
Like our clinic.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah. So this method became now the most famous method in the world to rehabilitate people. So much that every company that sells implants now, they also have this the products for this method. They copy the products for this method. But you know, one thing is to copy, another thing is to invent. There's a big difference between those that invent and do it after 30 years and those that copy. When you copy, you always miss something.
We don't need copy, we need you.
And that's why I'm here. I'm here because I want the patients to be sure that they are treated by the people that invented this method, that have done more cases in the world of this method. We are present in 20 countries. We are the biggest company in the world by geographic footprint. No other company in the dental world is present in 20 countries. So, and this just shows you our credibility, you know, our knowledge about these difficult cases. That is what makes us, and this is what people know us for. So now with this partnership, people can come here and do the difficult cases as well.
In our clinic with you.
Exactly.
What is it all about?
All-on-4 is a surgical technique that I developed almost 30 years ago. And I do not want to be too specific to technique, but basically it's a technique that allows people to have teeth in the first day, in the day of the surgery. You don't need to wait time. Also, it allows people that normally the dentists say that there is no bone for implants. These people can have teeth in the same day. And this is not magic, because there's no magic. This is just know-how. So this technique basically allows people to have teeth, fixed teeth, just like normal dentition.
100% patients?
No, there's never 100% patients. There's never 100%.
Say something about the few percent.
Yes, what happens is this. Some people, the bone is so soft that we cannot place the teeth in the same day. But 98% of the people that come to us, they arrive at 9 o'clock in the morning, and after lunch they go home with teeth just like a normal dentition. Fixed teeth, they can bite an apple, they can have steak and everything. And this is thanks to this technique, because without this technique we have to do bone augmentation. Sometimes bone augmentation in older patients does not work, and also bone augmentation in some cases does not work, and also it's more expensive and you have to wait more time. With this technique we do not need bone augmentation, and even if you have a little bit of bone, we can still do it. So this is really something that changed the world. In fact, this technique, as said, that has changed the people's lives, and that is quite true.
That was first cases of immediate loading?
The first case of immediate load of all-on-4 was 1993.
Okay.
On the mandible, and then on the maxilla it was a little bit more difficult. We developed in 1996. The first case of immediate load single teeth was also developed by me in 1990.
Developed by you?
Yes, single teeth immediate load. Yes, it was 1990. The first paper to come out was mine in 1996.
Why should the patient choose the all-on-4 at Unident Union?
Well, Unident Union is in partnership with Malo now, Malo Dental. So obviously, if the patients, if they don't have teeth, or if the teeth are falling, if they need a challenging case, meaning if they need to really do a difficult case, well, the only way they can have access to the people that invented is coming to Unident Union, because Unident Union and Malo are together now.
Excellent. Dr. Paulo, how many patients have you done of this technique?
You know, I invented this almost 30 years ago. And so to this date, I cannot tell you a precise number, but we have treated thousands of patients. Thousands of patients, myself and the team that we have around the world. Remember that the Malo dental team around the world is the biggest dental team by geographical footprint. We are present in 20 countries. Now imagine 20 countries doing this procedure every day.
Okay.
So it's
very predictable method.
Of course, this is thousands and thousands of cases that we do every year.
So last month,
last month maybe we did something. I would guess myself.
Yeah,
I did about let's say 100 cases.
Wow.
Yeah, but around the world, the Paulo Malo team,
multiplication, of course.
You multiply. You know, can you imagine? It's thousands, just in 1 month. So, and we've been doing this for almost 30 years now. The success rate of the all-on-4 is much higher than the success rate of the other techniques.
Of course,
much higher, and we are almost at 98% in 10 years. So this is incredible.
This is incredible, kochani, sami słyszycie i widzicie, metoda bardzo przewidywalna, doświadczenie i wiedza profesora doktora Paulo olbrzymia. Oddaję Wam w ręce najlepszego specjalistę, jakiego moglibyście sobie wymyśleć w najtrudniejszych przypadkach, powtarzam, przypadkach. To jest człowiek właśnie od zadań specjalnych. Dr. Paulo, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.